Have you ever had one of those frustrating moments? Your computer suddenly shows a blue screen, a program you just installed won't open, or you changed one setting, and now Windows won't behave normally. Don't panic, because Windows actually has a built-in rescue feature that many people forget about. It's called System Restore, and in many cases it can fix system problems without reinstalling Windows and without taking your PC to a repair shop. So in today's video, let's break down exactly what System Restore is, when to use it, and what it can and can't do. System Restore is a recovery feature Microsoft first introduced all the way back in Windows ME in the year 2000. In modern Windows versions like Windows 10 and Windows 11, it works through a feature called System Protection. One important thing to know is that on Windows 10 and 11, System Restore is usually disabled by default, so you may need to turn it on manually. Now think of System Restore like a snapshot of your system settings. When your computer is running normally, Windows can save restore points that include important system files, installed drivers, Windows registry settings, system configurations. Then, if something goes wrong later, you can roll your system back to an earlier restore point. And the best part is that System Restore doesn't affect your personal files, like photos, videos, or documents. However, any apps, updates, or patches installed after that restore point may be removed. In some cases, certain software licenses, activations, or plugins might also stop working and need to be reactivated. So, when is System Restore actually useful? System Restore works best when your PC has system-level problems, such as blue screens or crashes after installing the wrong driver or software, Windows features breaking after accidental registry edits, your system becoming slow or unstable after removing malware. Basically, if the problem is related to Windows itself, System Restore can often help. System Restore depends on something called a restore point, and there are two ways restore points are created: automatically by Windows, manually by you. But before either method works, system protection must be enabled first. Here is how. Press Windows +S and search for Create a Restore Point. Open the System Properties window. Under the System Protection tab, select your system drive, usually drive C, and click Configure. Choose Turn on System Protection. You can also adjust the disk space used for restore points. Around 4 to 10% is usually enough. Click Apply, then OK. Now System Restore is enabled. Once it's turned on, Windows will automatically create restore points before major system changes, like Windows updates, driver installations, software installs or removals, or critical system setting changes. Also, you can manually create a restore point yourself before making big changes. Just go back to the System Protection tab, then click Create. Give it a clear name, like Before NVIDIA Driver Update. Click Create. Wait a few seconds. And your restore point is ready. This is a very common question, and the answer is no. System Restore is not a file recovery tool. If you delete files manually, empty the recycle bin, or format a hard drive, System Restore will not bring those files back. It only restores Windows system settings, not personal data. System Restore usually takes about 20 to 45 minutes, but the exact time depends heavily on things like whether you use an SSD or HDD, how large the restore point is, or how many system changes need to be undone. If it looks stuck, don't shut down immediately. On slower hard drives, it may take 60 to 90 minutes to finish. Yes. In many situations, it's actually a very smart first step. System Restore lets you roll your PC back to an earlier point before a problem started, like after a bad update, driver issue, or software conflict. And again, it won't delete your personal files. Your photos, documents, and videos stay safe. It mainly affects system files, settings, and installed programs. However, System Restore isn't always the perfect solution. It won't fully remove viruses, and it only works if restore points were created in advance. Most importantly, System Restore is not designed to recover lost files. So if you've lost data because of a virus attack, drive formatting, accidental deletion, or even a missing or damaged partition, System Restore won't bring those files back. In those situations, you'll need a dedicated data recovery tool, like Recovery Fox AI. Recovery Fox AI can deeply scan your drive and help recover lost documents, photos, videos, and even files from deleted or lost partitions. And it only takes 3 simple steps. First, select the drive or folder you want to recover from. Recovery Fox AI then starts a quick scan, followed by a deeper AI scan. You can pause the AI scan at any time to preview the scanned results. Finally, choose what you need and click Recover. Just remember, always save recovered files to a different drive to avoid overwriting data. First, press Win+R to open the Run box. Type rstrui.exe, then hit Enter. This will open the System Restore window. Click Next to continue. Now you'll see a list of available restore points. If you don't see the one you need, check Show More Restore Points. Choose the restore point you want to restore to. You can also click Scan for affected programs to see what apps or drivers might be removed. Once you're ready, click Next. Review everything carefully, and then click Finish. Your computer will restart and begin the restoration process. Just remember that don't turn off your PC while it's restoring, or it could cause more issues. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and follow for more tips. I'm Recco. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.